Take a moment to check out the 2021 Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Look smart in the Pacifica Hybrid, the bold, sleek minivan that leverages advanced fuel efficiency while it transports your family in comfort and safety. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, touchscreen infotainment system, navigation system, keyless entry, power passenger seat, fog lamps, power liftgate, heated mirrors, satellite radio. Drive safely, efficiently, intelligently. Drive the Pacifica Hybrid.